Push underneath. Oh, you're doing fine. You're doing fine. Pass. Stand up. Stand. Look at the roof. Look at the roof. There we go. Jockey. Up. Push underneath. Oh, you're doing fine.
That was gentleman right there.
Pressure. Chris. Pressure. That's it. Shoulder. Bring your foot up. Pass.
Don't let that leg out.
Left foot on her leg. Let's go. Left foot on her leg to pry your foot out, buddy. I gotta get you to pass. Go. Press. Pressure.
I do have an allergy to the sun.
How do you know?
Because I get like goosebumps right here. That's why I was like, can I not stand there? It's like a skin, like a heat rash kind of.